Come along, let's explore. Dinosaurs.
Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Big and small, near and far. 20 dinos, here they are. T-Rex, T-Rex stomps with mighty feet. Big sharp teeth and a roar so sweet. Triceratops, 3 big horns upon his face, running through a grassy place. Stegosaurus, plates on back all in a row, swinging tail wherever he goes. Velociraptor, fast and quick, zip zip away, ready for a dino day. Brachiosaurus, long, long neck up to the sky, eating leaves way up high. Spinosaurus, sail on back, loves the stream, fishing is his favorite dream. Ankylosaurus, armor strong from head to tail, like a living dino male. Pterodactyl, flapping wings across the blue, flying high with a wonderful view. Parasaurolophus, curvy crest upon his head, marching where the herd has led. Allosaurus, big and bold with giant stride, through the ancient world he'd glide. Dilophosaurus, colorful frill, what a sight, dancing in the morning light. Iguanodon, thumb spikes, ready, standing tall, friendly giant, loved by all. Carnotaurus, tiny arms and speedy feet, running fast down every street. Corythosaurus, helmet, crest up on his crown, bobbing while he walks around. Pachycephalosaurus, hard round head, bump bump play, bouncing through the day. Na 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 na. Compsognathus, tiny dino, small but bright, scurrying left and right. Kentrosaurus, spikes and plates from head to tail, what a prehistoric tale. Maiasaura, caring parent, kind and true, looking after babies too. Mosasaurus, splashing through the ocean wide,